Hi, my name is Sam Spinacchio, and I'm the National Director of Sales for KRA USA. We have several new products at the InfoComm 2026, and I want to point out two specifically that are really performing well in our demo space on the booth. The new KX2 contains a 2-inch woofer and two 2-inch passive radiators in an aluminum housing. And there's also a flush mount version available. And then what we're pairing that with for demos in our room is the KST110. The KST110 has some incredible technology from PowerSoft. So it's a very small sub, maybe 3 inches deep, that does not vibrate the chassis. So you can see more if you go to KRA.com, and you can also go to KRAUSA.com for more information on these and other new products.